ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We will continue the It Vyavastha. The last two exercises are there in the book. Simple one. We'll complete that. Exercise number 10. Set Anitam Avalim Parishilya Shuddham Tavyata Antam Rupam Riktastale Likata. So he has given Set Dhatu, Anit Dhatu, Nriti, Push, Ash, Tanu, Shin, Set Dhatu. And Anit Dhatu, Vas Dhatu, Venj Dhatu, Krish, Kship, Hag. Now you have to write the Tavya form. Ganesh ji. Sorry, Ramaji, first person, Ramaji is there.
Sati,
Vasdhatu. Vasdhatu is, you can see the
Anit. Yeah. Vastavyam.
Vastavyam. The form is Vastavyam. Next one.
Vayati. Vayati is this is Venj
Dhatu. Yes.
So it is also Anit. So Vatavyam.
Yes. Vatavyam.
In Rityati, this is said. So Nartitavyam.
Yes, Nartitavyam. Next person, Ganesh. Pushnati, Push Dhatu. Ganesh, you have to unmute your mic.
Sorry, Sharan. So it is Pushnati is Push Dhatu. It is a Set Dhatu. So Itagama comes in. So Poshitavyam, Guna takes place.
Guna takes place. Poshitavyam.
Poshitavyam. Then next is Ashnati, Ash Dhatu.
Ash Dhatu.
This is also a Set Dhatu in the list. And therefore Itagama comes in. So Ashitavyam.
Yes.
Then Tanoti is Tanu Dhatu. That also is Set Dhatu. So Tanitavyam.
Yes.
And krishati is krish dhatu, and this is anit. So no itagama. And therefore it is krashtavyam.
This
Kra becomes kra.
Yeah, we saw in the last class, krish dhatu. It will get amagama, right?
Yes.
The three dhatus, this is also one dhatu, becomes krashtavyam. Okay.
Krashta.
Next person, Sumati.
Yes, sure. Next one is Shipati. Shipati comes under Anit. So
Anit.
it should be, yeah. So it should be Kshetavya.
Kshetavya.
The next is
Next one is-
Jahati.
It is the list. It is, you can see the list. It is hak. Hak is anit dhatu. O hak tyage.
Oh, okay.
Anit dhatu. Jahati is the third gana.
Ah.
Jugotyadi gana.
So it
Ha.
should be Hatavya.
Ha is anit. Hatavyam. Yes.
The next is Shete.
Shing dhatu we know. Shing dhatu is
Shing Dhatu Seta.
set.
So
Yes.
it should be Shaitavya.
Yes. Shing dhatu we read that in the shloka itself is there.
Shloka, yeah. Yes.
Set dhatu. Okay. Next one, Krishnanji.
Yes.
केचन धातवः निष्ठायाम् अर्थविशेषे इटं प्राप्नुवन्ति तद्भिन्ने अर्थे न इट् निष्ठायां विवरणार्थं 27 तमं पुटं पश्यत अतः यत् रूपद्वयं दत्तं तत्र सूचिते अर्थे यत् उचितं रूपं तत् लिखत. So you have to refer to the page number 27. I will show you. It is here. So dhatu artha tadbhinna arthe. If it is there, what will be the rupam should that you have to write? Example, shakdatu. Shakdatu, shaktaha, shakitaha is there. Karmarte, shuddha rupam is
Shaktaha.
shak.
It's anit dhatu.
It is anit dhatu. So page number 27, if you see, shakitaha, its agita rupam is there. It's very specific. Shakdatu is anit, but nishtayam.
Okay.
In the nishta, in the sense
Itagama
of
bhavati.
karmartha, that karmartha is very important. Visheshartha. Karmartha itagama bhavati. That is
How much money you're supposed to have in your
Lataji, when you join the meeting, keep your mic in mute. Okay. Yes. Then the next one. You can read.
Dvanitaha. Okay.
Dvanasha.
Dvanitaha. Dvana shabde.
Yeah, you can see Dvanitaha. Dvanitaha.
Say that, I think.
Tamo binnarte. It becomes Dvanitaha. Itagama bhavati. Right.
Hmm.
So therefore the form is Dvanitaha.
Dvanitaha.
Okay, next one.
Asitam, astam, asu, shepane.
Shepane.
So it's asis again, set.
Astatu. It is here. Asitam. Asukshepane. Do you see that? Bhavartha. Bhavartha becomes
Asitam.
Asitam. Ittagama bhavati. At ittagama astam bhava
No,
binnartha.
but
Bhava binnartha. Bhavarte ittagama. Bhava binnarte na ittagama. Right? Bhavarte ittagama bhavati. Asdatu is
Rasta to won't it go change to bu? Aste bu?
this is as to throw. This is fourth gana, right? Shepane,
Oh,
asyati.
asu shepane. Okay.
And also here you have to see it is bhava binnartaha. Here you have to see that
Oh, okay.
bhavarte asitam. Bhava binnarte astam.
Oh, it gets
Rupam
negated.
is-
Okay.
Yes, that's how we have to see. Here it is. Yes, specifically given binnartha. Other than that meaning, ishta pratyaya, what is the form? So
Hmm.
the same with Dvanita also, right? Dvantaha is, that is in the sense of Dvantaha, that is in the sense of Tamo Binnartaha Dvanitaha. Right? Dvanitaha, Dvana Shabde, Tamo Binnartaha Dvanitaha. Therefore, Dvanitaha. If it is in the sense of this Tama itself, then it becomes Dvantaha. Right? Tamo Binnartaha, that is Tamo Binnartaha, therefore it means Shabde. Shabdarte Dvanitaha Mridangaha. So Dvanitaha is a rupam here. Okay, number 4.
शुभ संचलने amantartah.
Amantartaha.
So it's a set dhatu. Okay.
You can check this column.
Shubhitam. Okay, so amantart.
See, whether it is set or whatever maybe. When it comes to
Shubhitam.
Nishta, it has got separate prakriya. Right? Shubdhatu. So Amantarta is Shubhitam.
Shubhitam.
Shubhitam
Mantena.
bhavati.
Mantena.
Yes. Next one, number 5.
Lage sange.
Yes.
Saktartah. Lage sange.
Laghe sange. Asaktartaha.
Lagitam. Okay. Lagitam.
Asaktartaha, it is Lagitam. But he has the exercise given Saktarta. Therefore,
Oh,
Lagnam.
Lagnam.
Here is given that Asaktarte Lagita iti rupam. Saktarte Lagnam bhavati. To choose one among the two. Okay, next one.
Anchu gati pujanayoho. Apujartah.
So Anchu Pujayam Gati Pujanayogo Dhatvartha is that. So here you have to see the first one. I'm not turning the page, I'm showing as it is like. Anchu. You have to turn your head to see. Gati Pujanayogo. Pujarte Anchita. Apujarte, the for rupam would be Aktaha. Right?
Oh, okay. Aktaha.
Pujarte Anchitaha. Not in the sense of puja. It means movement. Anchidhatu is important dhatu. Gati pujana yoga, that is meaning. Gati movement, pujana yoga in the sense of doing puja. Puja arte it is Anchitaha, apuja arte Aktaha iti. Then Ramaji, next one. Svana. Svana Shabde.
Shabde. Manorthe.
What is given? We have to check here. Manorthe. Yeah, Svana Shabde. Mano Binnarte, it is Svanitaha.
Vanitaha. Otherwise, it is Swanta.
Swanta. Here it is
It is Manorke. So it is Swanta.
Swanta. Next one.
Then Darshitaha. This is Drishtatarthe.
Drishtarte. Dhatu is Drish Dhatu, Pragalpye. So Drishtarte. Drishtarte, the rupam would be here, 13th Dhatu. Drishtata Binnarte.
Drishtaha.
So here it becomes Drishtaha. Right?
Yeah.
Next one.
Labhitaha. Labdhatu.
Lubdhatu, not lub. Lub.
Oh, lub.
Vimohan.
Yes, sir. Vimohane. So Akuli Karanarte, it is
Lubdhatu, I think it is here. Lub Vimohane. Akuli Karanam. Right? Vimohanam. So Vimohanarte Lubitaha. So here it is Akuli Karanarte.
Yeah, Lubitaha.
Lubitaha Bhavati. Last one.
Ardha Gatau Yachane. With Upasarga, C, Ni, V, Rahika. So without Upasarga.
Without Upasarga, you can see here. Ardha Gato Yachane Cha Sam Ni Vi Upasargaihi Rahitaha. Right? You see number 19.
Yeah.
the rupam is samarnaha is a rupam.
Samarnaha. Mm.
Some upasarga is given. Okay.
Mm.
Ardhat becomes samarnaha with that without that upasarga. Now the rupam here would be
Here is Samar si ni vi rahitaha.
Hmm.
So uh, sorry Sharanji, I couldn't.
without si ni in the meaning of gato yachane si ni vi upasargaihi rahitaha samarnaha. Arditaha is that. Now here it will become Arditaha is the
Nyarna.
Arditaha is the rupam. Arditaha
Yeah,
with
yeah.
itagama.
Okay.
Without that it will become
Yeah.
Arnaha.
So Syarnaha. No.
No upasarga. No upasarga it is. It is just Arnaha only. Ardhatu with ta pratyaya. Arditaha without the upasarga. The rupam would be Arnaha. In the page number 27, you can see that. Ardha gato yachane cha samni vi upasargaihi rahitaha. Upasargaihi rahita. No forms are given, right? If upasargas are there, then it becomes samarnaha. If upasargas are not there, the form is arditaha only. Sorry. So therefore, the form is arditaha only. This ardhadhatu with the ta pratyaya, two forms, arditaha, then with upasargas are there, becomes arnaha. So here the question is, arditaha, then here with ni upasarga is given. For example, yarnaha is given. Yes, same thing as given. Si ni vi upasarga hi raditaha. Dhatu without this upasarga, what will be the rupam? Refer to this page. Arditaha will be the rupam.
Okay.
Because here there is nothing is there, right? Example not the samarnaha is with upasarga.
Okay.
With upasarga it becomes samarnaha. Upasarga hi raditaha, it is same. Arditaha will be there. Arditaha will be the rupam. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
What was the previous one? Lubitaha lubdaha. 1 minute. That
Akulikaranarthi.
that also here. Akulikaranam lub vimogane lubitaha. So here same meaning. So lubitaha is the rupam. Yeah. Right. Anyarthe. If it's other than akulikaranarthe, it becomes lubdaha.
Lubdaha.
The exercise it is given akulikaranarthe, therefore it is lubitaha.
Vidaha. Yeah.
So with this set is over. Answers are given. You can now check it. So I think it prakarana to some extent, I think you understand what it is. Ishta pratyaya we have to remember. Okay. Then after the ita vivastha, now we will take up this natva vijanta. Natvam is nakara is the adesha that repa shakara are the nimitta. When preceded by repa shakara, this is dantya nakara, not at the end of the padam. Even when intervened by at, ku, pu, ang, we have seen that nakara, dantya nakara will become murdani nakara. That is natvam. So this natvam and nijantam. And nijanta rupam also we are going to see. So first is natvam and then nijantam. So first we are going to see natvam. That is what here it is natvam. The book is natva nijantam. And natva, if you see the Ashtadhyayi Sutra Pata, there are about 39 rules are there. 39 rules. The general rule is Dantyanakara when preceded by Repa, Shakara or even Rikara, even when intervened by At, Ku, Pu, Ang, it will become Muddhani Nakara. Apadanta Dantyanakara. That is the general rule. Samana Pade, the same Padam. There are about other than this, about 30, more than 30, 35, 37 rules are there. Specific rules are there. Those rules and all will be covered. Not everything, but certain things, important things will be covered in this. We will read this. Natvam, Upakramaha, introduction. Pushpani, that Nakara, Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani, that here the declension, the Dumagama comes for the Apumsakalinga Shabda. Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani, like Palam Pale Palani. There also Ni is there, Nakara is there. Here also Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani. But this Nakara becomes more than a Nakara. Why? Because of Shakara, Pushpani. Pushpani, Janati, there it did not happen. Vikirnaha, it has happened. Natum, Nakara is there. Ramanam, Devanam. Ityadini Padani, Parishilayantu, Bhavantaha. Let us analyze these Shabdas. All the pencil markings I did when I studied. So you have to excuse anyway. That 1-3. When you read a Sanskrit passage, you have to practice like that. Then put it in the form of Anvaya. So that is useful. That's how I did in the beginning. So that's why 1-3, 1-3, all these things are there. Atra Kvachit Nakaraha Shruyate. Kvachit Nakaraha Shruyate. Tantya Nakara also is seen, and more than Nakara also is seen. Ataha Putra Nakaraha iti Jnatum Yatha Shakyate Tata Atra Abhyasa Sakitam Vivaranam Diyate. Where Dantya Nakara will come, that we will see with the Abhyasa Sakitam, with the examples, with the exercises. Akandam Sakandam Padam. Yes. What is Akandam Sakandam Padam? Natva Jnanat Purvam Akanda Pada Sakanda Padayogo Artaha Jnatavyaha. The meaning of what is Akanda? Akanda Pada is Samasta Pada, Samana Pada, Sakanda Pada. We will see that meaning have to be known. Akanda Padam Nama Asamastam Padam Ityartaha. It is not joined word. Asamasta Padam. Na Samastam, Asamastam. Yata Ramena Arkena Ityadayaha. These are one word. It is Akanda Pada, Samana Pada, Asamasta Pada. Sakandam Padam Nama Samasta Padam Sanyukta Padam Itiva. Sanyukta Padam is the Padam which are joined. So it could be a Samasa, or it could be a Dhatu, or the Upasarga. That is also Sanyukta Padam. Samastam. So Asamastam, Samastam. Akandam, Sakandam. Example, pra plus yogena. Atra pra ityapi padam eva. Pra is a upasarga, it's a padam. Purva padam. Yatra purva padam upasargaha avyayam bhavati. Tadapi padam eva. And the purva pada is upasarga avyayam, that also a padam. So it is Sakanda padam, otherwise called Sanyukta padam. Then Adho nirdishteshu padeshu akanda padani chinnena sakanda padani cha chinnena cha ankayata. You have to mark it. Ramena akandam padam. Ramanama. It is sakandam padam. Is it sakandam padam? No. So you have to mark like this. So we know this is a simple one. Harina Akandam Padam Kapinam Prayanam Pra Upasarga. It is Sakandam. It is not Akandam. Right? Then Harina Kala Kramena. Kala and Kramena. Sakandam or Akandam?
Second.
Sakandam. Ramanama is Sakandam. That is why mark is crossed. Okay. Rama is one word. Nama is one. Both can be joined in Samasa or Sanyukta Pada possible. Rama iti Nama. But Samasa you can join it. So Sakandam, not Akandam Padam. Because individually it has got the meaning. The words are there and meaningful words. Rama, Nama. Similarly, Kala, Kramena. Sakandam Padam. Then Visheshanam. Visheshanam is Sakandam or Akandam. Visheshanam also must be Sakandam. Okay. With V Upasarga, Shishdatu. It is, I marked the tick, that's it is Sakandam. Griha Nama. Griha and Nama. Sakandam. Pra Yogena. Pra Upasarga. Yogena. Yogena generally, when you gender that Yogena, the word alone will be having Dante Nakara. With Pra Upasarga, it has become Murdanya Nakara Pra Yogena. So it is Sakandam. Parinama. What is Parinama? Parinama is
Sakandam,
Akhanda.
Parinama. Parinama is with Pari Upasarga.
Pari Upasarga.
Nam Dhatu plus Krit Pratyaya. So it is Pari Upasarga is that is also Sakandam only. Ragena, one word. Karyakramena, Sakandam. Darshanam, it is Sakandam. Sangrahanam. Samyak Grahanam, Sangrahanam. It is also Sakandam only. Not Akandam. Krishnaha, Akandam. Rinam, Akandam. Raga Raktena, Sakandam. Harena, Akandam. Karmani, Sakandam. Those words which can be split, they are Sakanda. So Parinama Pari Upasarga is therefore I said that is Sakandam. Otherwise it will be just simply will be Nama, Namdatu. Namdatu with Gai Pratyaya become Nama. With Pari Upasarga, therefore it has become Nama, Parinama iti. Then the next one, Karyakartrunam. This is also Sakandam. Etadrishani, Akandama Sakandam. Etadrisha Shabda, like Pala Shabda, it is Akandam only. Udaharanani, Ut plus Hahara Nani. So Ut is Upasarga. Therefore it is Sakandam. Etadrishena, Etadrisha Shabda, like Rama Shabda, it is declined. Therefore it is Akandam only. Pushpani, Akandam. Guruna, Akandam. So, next one. Adho Nirdishteshu, Sakanda Padeshu, Kandadvayam Vibhajya, Darshayata. Guru Nama, Guru is one word, Nama is one. Guru Nama, Guru iti, Nama is a Samasa. Pra Namaha, Pra Upasarga, then Namaha. Namaha is from the Nam Dhatu. Namati, Nam. Already Nam is Upadeshika Dhatu is Mudra Nakara. The Mudra Nakara will become Dante Nakara. Again, because of the Nimitta Pra, again becomes Mudra Nakara. So Pra Namaha, Pranamaha iti. Sankirnaha, Sam plus Kirnaha. I think it is simple. Shurpanaka, Shurpa plus Naka. The word is Shurpa plus Naka. Because of Repa, the Nakara, Dante Nakara has become Murdanya, Shurpanaka. Dara Nagari. Here Dara Nagari, Nakara. It is Dhara plus Nagari, Dara Nagari. Just write the Sakanda. Why it does not happen? That we will see. Dara Nagari. It has not happened. Nattam has not happened here. It depends on the samasa. Dara Nagari. Trinayanaha, 3 plus Nayanaha. Sankirtanam, some plus Kirtanam. Parayanaha, para plus Ayanaha. Namaskarena, namas plus karena, namaskarena. Namas is avyayam, avyaya padam. So namas plus karena, namaskarena. Nirnama, nir upasarga, nir plus nama, nirnama. Here also nattam has not happened. That's what we are going to see. Rama ayanam, Rama plus ayanam. Pranidhanam, pra plus ni plus dhanam. Here pra and ni has undergone nattam. Brigan nala, brigat plus nala. Then mrigan nayana, mriga plus nayana. Padi poshanam, padi plus poshanam. Vishanam, visha plus annam, vishanam. Vrisha vachanam, vrisha plus vachanam. Similarly, vishanna vadanaha, vishanna plus vadana, vadanaha. Akandapade nonaha, nonaha, that is the rule. Rikara, repa, shakara. When precedes Dantenakara will become Murudanya Nakara. So Rikarat, Rakarat, there is no Rakarat actually, it should be Repat. Shakaratva, Avyaya, Avyaya, Avyavagita, sorry. Avyavagita Parasya, Avyavagita Parasya, no intervention, no Vyavadhanam, not intervened by anything. That is no gap. Precedes immediately. Avyavagita Parasya follows immediately. Nakarasya Murdanya Nakaraha Bhavati. So when Rikara, Repa, Shakara followed immediately by Dantenakara, then Dantenakara will be replaced by Murdanya Nakara. Pitru plus Nam, Pitruna. Kir plus Naha, Kir Naha. There's a Ta pratyaya becomes Kir Naha. Naha is Ta pratyaya. Push plus Nati, Push Nati. So Rikaraha, Repa, then Shakaraha va, Nakarat Purvam Bhavet eva. Tada eva Natvam Bhavati. Tada eva Natvam Bhavati. Iti Paryavasitaha Artaha. Ataha Rikara, Repa, Shakaraha, Natve Nimittani iti Uchante. Itah param ete ra shaha nimitta shabdena natva prakarena vyavahriyante. So nimittas are rikara, repa and shakara. So when rikara, repa, shakara, they are the nimitta shabdena natva prakarena. They are the nimitta that will be nimitta shabdena natva prakarane vyavahriyante. So by the word nimitta, what will be pointed out is this rikara, repa and shakara. Adhonirtishteshu siddha rupeshu nimittam, that is rikara, repa, shakara, avarne likata. You have to write what are the nimitta. Trishna, yes, shakara is a nimitta. Rikara also is there, but shakara is immediately preceding the nakara. Therefore, shakara is a nimitta. Tisrinam rikara, arnavaha, repa, Vishnuhu, shakaraha, karnaha, repa is there. Matrunam rikara, dhratrunam rikara, mushnati, shakara, varnanam, repa. Vyavadane satyapi no naha bhavati. Even when intervened by, those allowable letters are at, kuhu, puhu. Even when intervened by this, it means not immediately following, even when intervened by any number of these letters, then also nattam will happen. Rikara, nakara, yogo, रेपनकारयोः षकारनकारयोः वा मध्ये यदि अट्वर्णाः कवर्गः पवर्गः भवन्ति तर्हि अपि नकारस्य नकारः भवति. Ang is missing. That ang also can be added. Even when intervened by any of these letters any number of times, then also natvam will happen. Example, Ramena. Repa plus akara plus makara plus a plus na. Repa is at the beginning. Nimitta is the beginning. Apadanta nakara at the end. Intervened by all the other letters. All permissible letters. A, makara, ekara. Natvam happens similarly. Then next one. अधो निर्दिष्टेषु सिद्धरूपेषु निमित्तस्य नकारस्य च मध्ये स्थान वर्णान् लिखत. That you can do simple. Okay. यदि उदाहरणपदे ऋषकाराः द्वित्राः दृश्यन्ते तर्हि अन्तिमः ऋकारः रेप षकारः वा नत्वस्य निमित्तम् इति स्मर्तव्यम्. If more than one nimittas are there, what is the last nimitta? What is the last letter? That is the nimitta. That is to be considered as nimitta. Yatha antarikshena ityatra natvasya nimittam shakarasya angatvena sitah shakarah natu purvam sitah repa. So antarikshena repa is there, murdanya shakara is there, which is the nimitta. The nimitta is only murdanya shakara because which is the one at the last, or which is the one which precedes immediately nakara. Therefore, antarikshena iti. Then, so you have to write here. It's okay. You can skip this. All these are simple exercise. Samasta pade. Akanda pade. No naha. What is that? We will see. Rikara, repa, shakara is there. Even when intervened by at, pu or pu, and the uttarapada, purvapada is the nimitta, uttarapada as this dantyanakara. Then also it will be replaced by murdhanyanakara, even when intervened by at, pu. Purvapade stitat, rikarat, repat, shakarat va, nimittat, परस्य उत्तरपदे स्थितस्य नस्य नकारः विकल्पेन भवति. किन्तु उत्तरपदस्थितः नकारः प्रातिपादिक अन्ते भवेत्, विभक्ति संबंधी वा भवेत्, नुम् वा भवेत्. उत्तरपदं कवर्गवर्णयुक्तं चेत् नत्वं नित्यं, न तु विकल्पेन इति तु विशेषः. You understand this? Yes. Is the meaning clear?
Sir, once again, can you explain, sir?
Yeah, can you explain English?
पूर्वपदे स्थितात् ऋकारात् रेपात् शकारात् वा निमित्तात् परस्य उत्तरपदे स्थितस्य नस्य नकारः विकल्पेन भवति. किन्तु उत्तरपदस्थितः नकारः प्रातिपदिकान्ते भवेत्, विभक्ति संबंधी वा भवेत्, नुम् वा भवेत्. That is, in the Purvapada, Rikara, Repa, Shakaras are there, which has a nimitta. Any one of them are there. Then the Uttarapada, the Nakara, Nasya Nakaraha, Vikalpena Bhavati. Nasya Nakaraha. The sutra is given. Okay. In the Uttarapada, Nakara, Uttarapada Sitasya, Nasya, Dantya Nakarasya, Nakaraha, Vikalpena Bhavet. Kintu, Uttarapada Sitaha, Nakaraha, Pratipadikante Bhavet. Vibhakti Sambandhi Bhavet. Numba Bhavet. So, here it says, see the example. Pratipadikantah Nakara. For that example, Pratipadikanta Mashavapin is Pratipadikanta Nakara. it is Pratipadikanta Nakara, Mashavapin plus Au, Mashavapi now it is. So, in this Shabda, Nakara is there. Nakara is at the end of the Pratipadikam. When you decline that, then the Nakara is not at the end of the Padam anymore. So, therefore, it becomes Mudani Nakara, Mashavapinau. That is for the Pratipadikanta Nakara. Uttarapade Stitaha Nakaraha Pratipadikante Bhavet. Pratipadikante Bhavet. Num Sambandhi Bhavet. Num Agama will come for Napumsakalinga. So, Mashavapani, that is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. So, Mashavapa, then that Nakara is that because of Num Agama. Now, that Nakara, again, it's not at the end of the Padam. And the Pratipadika, in the Pratipadika, this is because of the Numagama, because it is Mashavapini is Saranamastana for the Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Numagama comes. So, Masha Vapin, that Nakara comes. Therefore, Mashavapani iti rupam. Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara. If you decline that in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, the top pratyaya is replaced by ina. That Nakara is there. That is the Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakaraha. In all these cases, the Nakara, the Dantya Nakara, not at the end of the Padam, it becomes Murdanya Nakara. Now, here, this Masha and Vapi. Masha and Vapi, two words are there. So, this then the Pratyaya is added after that. Mashavapi is a Samastapada. So in the Purvapada, Masha, the Nimittas are there. Rikara, Repa, Arshakara. In the Uttarapada, Nakara, Danti Nakara is there. Tasya Nakaraha, because of the Purvapada Nimitta, that Nakara becomes Murdanya Nakara. Uttarapada Sitaha Nakaraha, Pratipadikante Bhavet, Vibhakti Sambandhi Bhavet, Bhavet, Numba Bhavet. If the Nakara is belong to the Pratipadikanta Nakara, or it is because of the Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara, or the Nakara because of the Num, then it will become Nakara, Mudani Nakara, Bhavet, Vikalpena, optionally. That is what it says. We'll see further. Kavarga Varna Yuktam Chet Nityam Bhavati. This is by a rule. Okay. Kavarga Varna Yuktam Chet. Now here also you see. Pra plus Yogena. Yogena is yoga plus the top pratyaya, Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Suaujas, Amortious, top Byambis. Ta is replaced by ina. Here in the Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakaraha is the Tritiya Vibhakti, ina. Similarly, pra plus yogena, yoga plus ina, yogena. Yoga plus ina, yoga plus a plus iguna, then yogena. Now, yoga is Uttarapada and Nakara is at the Uttarapada. In the Purvapada, we have pra. Now, Kavarga Varna Yuktam Chet Nityam Bhavati. Kavarga Varna Yuktam Chet. If Kavarga Varna is there, Repa is the Nimitta in the Purvapadam, intervened by at letter. I is there, then Yakara is there, O is there, then A also is there, Gakara is there. Kavarga Varna Yuktam Chet. If a Kavarga Varna is there, then what will happen? Then this Nakara will happen. Nityam Bhavet. Daurbhagyena, here also, Daurbhagye, Gakara is there, Kavarga Varna is there, therefore Nityam Bhavet. So, Samagre Natva Prakarane, निमित्तस्य नकारस्य च मध्ये अड्वर्णैः कवर्गेण पवर्गेण च व्यवधानं सह्यते इति स्मरणीयम्. That's okay. So prayogena, if the intervening letter is kavarga varna is that, then the natvam is a must. The natva rule is only for samana pada. In the beginning we said natva rules apply for in the same padam. Then we are talking about uttara padam and purva padam. Even when uttara padam and purva padam, that is sakanda padam chetapi natvam bhavati, we are extending that natvam to the sakanda padam also. For that he says the nimitta is there in the purva pada, and in uttara pada has got nakara. Then the nakara, then the nakara, danti nakara will become murdani nakara if it belongs to the pratipadika, and if it belongs to the vivakti sambandhi nakara, or if it is num, then tasya nakarasya vikalpena bhavati iti. We will see more examples. Adho nirdishteshu udaharaneshu natvam praptavan nakaraha pratipadikantah num sambandhi vivakti sambandhi va iti avarane nirdishata. Vrihi vapinam. This is pratipadikanta nakara. Vrihi vapin is a shabda. It becomes vrihi vapinam. Karyavahini. So he is asking you to write the nakara, whether it is pratipadikanta nakara or num sambandhi or vibhakti sambandhi. So here karyavahini is pratipadikanta nakara. Ravi mayukhena, it is vibhakti sambandhi nakara. Varsha bhogyena, vibhakti sambandhi nakara. Varsha bhogina, here also vibhakti sambandhi. Vari vahana, here it is because of this num. It's not actually num, it is nuttagama here. So it is vari vahana. It is because of nut, not num. Therefore, we can take it as vibhakti sambandhi nakara here. Harsha bhavena, vibhakti sambandhi nakara. Shobha vahani, num sambandhi nakara here. Shobha vahani is num sambandhi, because of num agama only that nakara has come here. Chakra vakena, here it is vibhakti sambandhi nakara, tritiya vibhakti, that ina. This is one thing. The next one, sanyayam no naha. Sanyayam no naha. That is, sanya is the name, the title. Is the name of a thing or the person or whatever it may be. The name, just a name. So, purvapade sthitat nimittat parasya uttarapade sthitasya nakarasya nakaraka nityam bhavati sanyayam gamyamanayam. If it refers to a sanya, then the natva will happen. Previously we said that is not nityam, but now that is not nityam means that is not referring to a sanya. Purvapade sthitasya nimittat uttarapade sthitasya nakarasya natvam vikalpena bhavati, and if the nakara belongs to, the nakara is vibhakti sambandhi nakara, num sambandhi nakara, or pratipadikanta nakara iti. That is previously. Now here it says sanyayam. Sanyayam no naha. Sutra itself is that sanyayam. If it denotes a sanya, then nakara, there is a natvam nityam bhavati. Rama plus ayanam. It is a name of the text, the grantha. So here it happens. There is no vikalpa. Nityam bhavati. Sanyayam avashyam bhavati. Purva padat sanyayam agaha iti. One sutram is that. Sanyayam gamyamanayam. Shurpa plus naka. Here, Shurpanaka is the name of the person. They are not, that Repa is at in the Purva pada. Naka is in the Uttara pada. Only in Samana Pada, Nuttam happens. Here it is not Samana Pada, but if you refer to your Sanya, and even if the Repa is there in the Purva Pada, then it will happen. Shurpa Nakha iti. So Sanyayam Nityam Bhavati. Then Adonadrishteshu Udaharaneshu Nimittasya Nakarasya cha Madhyasitan Vivadayakan Varnan Avaraneshu Likata. That you can write what are the intervening letters in between. Ramanam is there. So here you have to write what are the intervening letters that you can do. The next one. Adonadrishteshu Padeshu Natva Pratibandhakan Varnan Avarane Likata. What prevents Natva happening? Dhrudani. Nakaraha is Natva Pratibandhaka Varnaha. Nakara not covered by Atkupang. So it is, therefore it prevents Natvam happening. Similarly, Rajakiyani, Marichena, you can write what prevents Natvam happening here. The simple exercise you can do. What prevents Natvam happening? Then number 8, Abhyasa number 8. So Nimitta, Vivadana, and Sakandam or Akandam you have to write. Chakranam. Chakranam is, it is Akandam. So all these things you can write. Samudrena, Akandam. The simple exercise is also what is the Nimitta in the word and what are the Vivadana and whether the Padam is Sakanda Padam or Akanda Padam. You can write. Next one. Adhonadrishteshu Pratyu Udaharaneshu Yatha Sambhavam Pratibandhaka Karanani Nirdishata. What are the Pratibandhaka there which causes, which doesn't cause Natvam? Which doesn't cause Natvam, you have to write.
Sir, a previous one we could not hear anything.
Previous one. Which one?
Oh.
Is my voice not clear?
Now it's okay. I don't know. Maybe for me it's like that. I don't know.
Is my voice not clear to all?
No, it's clear, Harshad.
It was
Okay.
clear.
Was
Okay,
it
it's my problem.
do you have any disturbance in between from my side?
Yes, sir.
No, no, sir.
Maybe my problem.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay, no problem. Then here, Adonadrishteshu Pratyudaharaneshu Yatha Sambhavam Pratibandhaka Karanani Nirdishata. So Nimitta Abhavaha Pratibandhaka Varnaha Nakaraha Vivaktyadi Sambandha Nakaraha Vivaktyadi Sambandha Ragitaha. Okay. So you have to write here in all these cases what are the Pratibandhaka, the Varnas are there. That is the exercise here. So that Nimitta Abhavaha. Why Nimitta Abhavaha? Adonadrishteshu Pratibandhaka Karanani Nirdishata. Abhyasa 9. I don't know what he says here. 1 minute. Let me open that. One more. The answers are given. What does he say? I don't understand. Just a minute. The Abhyasa 9. Nimitta Bhavaha. Oh. Or Pratibandhaka Varna Sadbhavaha Nakaraha Vibhakti Sambandhi Ragitaha. Oh, you have to write like this. With Nimitta Bhavaha, you have to write any one. Okay. Nimitta Bhavaha Pratibandhaka Varnas are there or Nakaraha Vibhaktyadi Sambandha Ragitaha. Okay, then you have to write like that. Okay, so Rama and Nama. Nimitta is there, Repa is there. If Repa is there, nothing should have happened, but it did not happen. And any Pratibandhaka Varnas are there, that are also not there because Repa is there and preceded by A and Makara and Nakara. All these are allowable letters. Therefore, that is also not there. So Nakaraha Vibhaktyadi Sambandharitaha. Nakara is not the Vibhakti because it is a Samasa. It is not Ramana, it is Ramanama. So this in a Samasa, there may be the intervening letters. So therefore, Nakara, what may be Samasa, that we will see later. Nakaraha Vibhaktyadi Sambandharagitaha. It doesn't belong to the Vibhakti. Vibhakti is there, then it becomes Akanda Padam. It is Sakanda Padam now. Therefore, this Nakara doesn't become Mudre Nakara. Nakaraha Vibhaktyadi Sambandharagitaha. Nakara is not connected to the Vibhakti. Not connected to Vibhakti. How Vibhakti has got Nakara? Vibhakti has got Nakara. Tritiya Vibhakti we have Ramena. And Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam we have Nam. There Numagama. That Nakara is because of Numagama. Shashti Vibhakti is because of Numagama. In Tritiya Vibhakti, that is because of that Ta Pratyaya is replaced by Ina. Su-Aujas, Ammaujas, Ta is there. Ta is replaced by Ina. Therefore, Ramena you get. That Vibhakti Sambandha, that Vibhakti Sambandha, the Nakara that is. Similarly, Nam, because of Num, that is Num Sambandhi, Nakara. Here it is not either any of them. Therefore, Natvam doesn't happen. Next one, if you take Mandalikana, why it has not happened? Mandalika. What is the reason? Nimitta itself is not there. Where is Repa? Where is Shakara? Where is Rikara? So Nimitta itself is not there, therefore Nattam doesn't happen. Nimitta Bhavaha. Then Rashmina, the next one. Rashmina. Here also, Repa is there, but in between what is there? Shakara is there. Nimitta, Shakara is there. So Pratibandhaka Varnaha asti. So therefore, Nattam Nabhavati. Giri Nandini. Giri Nandini. Here also, Giri, Repa is there. Then Nandini should have become Murdhani Nakara. Why it has not happened? Because not that Nimitta Bhavaha, not that Pratibandhaka Varnaha, but this Nakara is not Vibhakti. Vibhakti Adi Sambandharagitaha Nakaraha, therefore doesn't happen. Giri Nandini is Giri Nandini only. Then the next one, Uttankanam. Here Nimitta itself is not the Nimitta Bhavaha. Matrabandhanam. Vikara is there. Then that Vandhanam, why it has not become Matrabandhanam? Because it is not because Nimitta Bhavaha. Nimitta is there and there is no Pratibandhaka Varna, but this Nakara is not Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara. Therefore, doesn't happen. Sundaranayanam. Here also same thing. Nimitta is there and there is no Pratibandhaka Varna, but that the Nakara is not Vibhakti Adi Sambandhi Nakara. Samadarshina. Samadarshina here intervened by the Pratibandhaka Varna Shakara. Therefore, doesn't happen. Karmatena. Karmatena intervened by Takara, which is Pratibandhaka Varna. Therefore, doesn't happen. Chakranemihi. Chakranemihi is here Nimitta is there. Pratibandhaka Varna not there, but still doesn't happen because Nakara is Vibhakti Adi Sambandha Lagitaha Nakaraha. Andana. Nimitta itself is not there. Dhirgha Naukha. Dhirgha Naukha. It is Vibhakti Adi Sambandha Nakaraha na Ataha Nabhavati. Suranartaki. The same thing here also. Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Why doesn't happen? Because you can say it is Pratibandhaka Varna asti. Therefore, doesn't happen. Then number 10. Shuddha Rupam Chinnena Ashuddha Rupam Chinnena Cha Ankayitva Shuddhatvasya Ashuddhatvasya Va Karanamapi Sankshepena Nirdishata. Etadrishena Shakaraha Vyavadanam Asti, which is not allowed. Therefore, Etadrishena Shakara Vyavadanam Asti. Okay, Drishena Shakara is Etadrishena that Shakara is not allowed. Yes. But here nothing happens. Etadrishena Shakara Vyavadanam Asti. Why it happens? That we will see. Etadrishena. Because this is Etadrishena. You have to see the rule. I'll tell you later. Etadrisha is a shabda. Etadrisha and etadrishena.
Is vibhakti sambandha, so
Therefore, it
Nanaka
becomes. Yes. I'm just finding out the rule. Why? What it makes happen? Just that. Purapada Sanyayam Agaha Vanam Puraha Pura Vinataha. Okay. I'll tell you later what is the rule here. Etadrishena. Okay. Shakara is a Vivadhanam. Just write the Vivadhanam. That is what is asking to do. Etadrishena. Then Shashankena. Shashankena. Vivadhanam is what? There is no nimitta. Where is the nimitta to write the Vivadhana? Shashankena. You have to write all the letters. Where is the nimitta? Nimitta itself is not there. Nimitta bhavaha. 1 minute. What he says? Nimittam nasti. Okay, very good. That's what he says. Nimittam nasti. Shashanka. Nimittam nasti. So when I drishyamanam, you can write the Vivadhana. Okay, then all these are can do. Natva nishedaha. Natva is negated for the Padanta Nakara. By the Sutra, this Padanta, Padantasya na, by that Nakara at the end of the Padam is negated. Padante sitasya Nakarasya, Nakaraha na bhavati, Mudan Nakaraha na bhavati. Yata Harin, Raman, etc. Now, Parishishtam. Akandapade, Samastapade, Upasarga Nimitta. So, Akandapada is Samastapada. That is what the general rule is. Repa Shakara is there. That is a nimitta for causing natvam. Pushnati, Karanam, Arkena, etc. Then Vikalpena. In Samastapada, that becomes Vikalpa. We have the option of natvam. For what Nakara? If it is a Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara, if it is a Num Sambandhi Nakara, or if it is a Pratipadikanta Nakara, then Vikalpena Bhavati. So that's what the example is given. Vrihi Vapi now, Vrihi Vapani. Vrihi Vapani is Tritiya, there's Bhagavachana. It is Numahama, Num Sambandhi Nakara. We will see that later. Numahama comes for the Sarvanamastana, Napumsakalinga Shabda. That's why Palam Pale Palani is there. Vari Varini Varini. Then Vrihi Vapena, there also you can see Nakara, Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara, Num Sambandhi Nakara. And Pratipadiganta Nakara is the first example. Vrihi Vapi now. Vrihi Vapin is a Shabda. Vrihi Vapin plus Au, Vrihi Vapi now, or Vrihi Vapi now, Murdanya or Dantya. The Nakara which belongs to the Pratipadika. There, Vikalpena Bhavati. That is what we saw. Okay. That is Samastapada. That is for the Samastapada. Samastapada is, that is Sakandapada. That is one thing. So these are samasas. Samastapada is mainly the samasas. Uttarapadam will be the Purvapadam will be the Uttarapadam as the nimitta, and sorry, Purvapadam as the nimitta, and Uttarapadam as nakara. That nakara, whether it goes on nanatvam, depends on what nakara is that. If it is Pratipadikanta, Num Sambandhi, or Vibhakti Sambandhi, it is optional. Then Upasarga nimittam. Upasarga causing natvam to happen. Parinamati, Parinamaha, all these are examples. This is what natvam is. It's given in a simple way. And one more thing you can add, that is already he has given Sanyayam. If it is a Sanyayam, natvam bhavati. Other than Sanya, it will not happen. For Samastapada. So Natva Vidayaka Sutrani. Oh, this is what I was looking for, the sutra. Okay, has given. Ashabhyam no naha samana pade. That is a main sutra, Utsarga Sutra, general rule. Eka padastabhyam, in single pada, the same pada, samana pada. Repa shakarabhyam parasya, dante nakarasya, murdhanyaha nakaraha syat. The same pada, this happens. Dante nakara preceded by repa or shakara or rikara. Rikara not given, but we have to add. That is by a vartika. The sutra itself not there, but vartikakara says nattam lipi. Rikara. Rikara tapi. Rivarna tapi iti vachyamiti is vartikam asti. The next one is intervening letters. Here intervening letters, ang examples are not given. Num also he has given. That is why num sambandhi we talk about. Num sambandhi. At kavarga, pavarga, ang and num also. Even when num intervenes, it will happen. So num means ityete yatasambhavam militehi vivadane api nasya nahasyat samana pade. The same pada. Even when num is there. When num is there, how it will happen? Num means here you have to understand it as anuswara. Anuswara is there. This nasya padantasya jali will apply. The padanta nakara, akara, when followed by jal. We have seen, right? That will be replaced by anuswara. Even when anuswara is there, or at letter, or kavarga, pavarga, or am, then also this natvam happens. Can num be there here at this point? Cannot be there. Okay. Num cannot be there. Because num, if num is there, what will happen to num? It will become anuswara by the previous rules. So therefore, here you have to take it as anuswara. Next one is Pratipadikanta num vibhaktishu cha. 8.4.11. As I said, there are about 35, more than 35 sutras are there. Not all the sutras are important. All the rules are important. Purva padastat nimittat parasya yeshu stitasya nasya naha vasyat. Optionally, it can become. Then kumati cha. Kumati cha is kavarga. Kumat. Kumat is kavargaha asya asti. Matu pratyaya. Kumati is not sumati kumati like that. Not sumati. Okay. This kumati. Not mati means not the buddhi here. Kumati. Kakaraha asya kumat. That meaning. Kavargavati. Kavargavat. That's what. Kavargavati uttarapade. Kavargavati uttarapade. In the Uttarapada, Kavarga is there. Pratipadikanta num vibhaktishu nityam natvam syat. That nakara belonging to a Pratipadika, num or vibhakti, and Kavarga is there, then always natvam happens. This is what the examples we saw. Like what example? That is what the example? Daurbhagyena, no. Kavarga. Kutra asti? Kavarga Gita. That example we saw. No, before. Just a minute. In the Uttarapada, Kavarga is there. Yes. Prayogena. As example, you can remember Daurbhagyena. Yeah, that's what. Daurbhagyena and Prayogena. Nimitta is there in the Purvapada. Uttarapada has got Nakara. Nakara belonging to your Pratipatikanta Nakara or Numibhakti Nakara or Vibhakti Sambandhi Nakara. Then it must happen. There is no Vikalpa. Vikalpa, which was there, it is made mandatory if it is a Kavargavati Uttarapada. If the Uttarapada has got Kavarga, then it must happen. Can you follow what I'm saying? Yes? No?
Yes, Sharan.
Yes, sure.
So this is the this rule. Okay, then. So example, Kumaticha, you can remember Prayogena, Adaurbhagyena iti. Then Upastargat Samasayapi no Padeshasya 8414. Upastarga starts that parasya. That Nimitta is then the Upasarga. No Padeshasya dhatoho. Very important. What is no Padesha dhatu? In the Upadesha, the dhatu beginning with more than Nakara. That's called no Padesha dhatu, which can get Nakara, Dantya Nakara Upadesha. So those are called no Padesha dhatu. So like Ninj dhatu, that Ni, Nayati, those dhatus, or Nad, Nadi, those dhatus. They are no Padesha dhatu. That is, in the dhatu pata, that dhatus beginning with Murdani Nakara, which can get Dantya Nakara Adesha. Those are. Here, note one thing. Not that all the dhatu will get this Natva Adesha, that is Dantya Nakara Adesha, or this Sakara, that Murdanya, the dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara, will get Sakara Adesha. Not that all the dhatu will get, there are exceptions. Not all the dhatus, the dhatu pata, beginning with Murdanya Shakara, will get Sakara Adesha. Similarly, beginning with Dantya Murdani Nakara will get Dantya Nakara Adesha. Not all the dhatus. There are exceptions. There are some dhatus which will not get Adesha. Shwak on dhatu is there. Shwak is Shwak only. It is not Swak and all. Okay. Anyway, that's just an incidental point here. So, no Padesha means the Nakara which deserves to get or which can get the Upadesha. In the Upadesha, the Nakara, dhatu beginning with Murdani Nakara, can get Dantya Nakara Adesha. That's called no Padesha dhatu. That dhatu alone, that dhatus, that Nakara alone will become Murdani Nakara. When the Nimitta is there in the Purva Pada, that is Purva is Upasarga. Upasarga Nimittat. Here, where is Purva Pada? Here, Upasarga, because dhatu we are talking about. Therefore, Upasargat. In the Upasarga, the Nimitta is there. Nimitta is Rikara, Repa, Shakara. And in the Uttarapada, this no Padesha dhatus are there. Then, when you say no Padesha dhatu, first what you do, Nakara will be replaced by Dantya Nakara. Murdani Nakara by Dantya Nakara. Then again the Dantya Nakara will undergo Murdani Nakara because of this Nimitta in the Upasarga. Therefore, dhatoho, no Padesha se dhatoho, Nasya, Nagasyat, Samase, Asamase api. Even if it is Samasa or Asamasa, it will happen. Understand this?
Yes.
This example you can take. Pranamaha, you can take that example. Pranamaha. That Pranamaha, what is the dhatu? Nam dhatu, right? Dhatu is Nam dhatu. What is the original dhatu? Original dhatu is the dhatu which are read in the dhatu pata as such. What is the dhatu? It is Nam, Murdanya Nakara. Okay, let me type and show so that become clear. That is the no Padesha dhatu. That is Nakara. This is Nam is a dhatu. You will see in the dhatu pata like this Nam only. What do we do when Nam dhatu is there? we replace the Buddha Nakara by Dante Nakara. This we know. Similarly, Nij Dhatu is there, the Dhatu Pata. That Mudha Nakara replaced by Ni. Nya is it letter. So Ni is the Rupam of the Dhatu. Small Nam is the Rupam. These Dhatus, which these are called Nopadesha Dhatu. These Dhatus can get Dante Nakara Adesha. Therefore, Nakara, Mudha Nakara is there in the Upadesha for those Dhatus. Those Dhatus are called Nopadesha Dhatu. Nopadesha is Bhagavrigi Samasa. Nakaraha, Upadeshaha. Nakaraha is the Upadesha in the Dhatu, Pada Dhatus in the Dhatu Pata. So, therefore, these Dhatus only we are talking about here. So, with Pra Upasarga, then this is Namaha is there. Then what will happen? This Nakara is no Padesha Dhatu Nakara. Therefore, this will undergo Nattum. Otherwise, no. That's what he says. Pranamaha. Back to Mudha Nakara because of the Nimitta in the Upasargat, Stitat, Repat. So that's what he says here. Upasargat Stitat Parasya no Padeshasya Dhatoho Nasya Nagasyad. Whether it is Samasa or Asamasa. Samase api Asamase api. Bhavati eva. Right? Next one. Kritya Chaha. Upasargastat Nimittat Parasya Achaha Uttarasya Kritstasya Nasya Natvam Syat. So Upasargas Stitat Parasya Achaha Uttarasya Kritstasya Nasya Natvam Syat. Examples. Okay. Kritya Chaha 8429. So okay. This is no Padesha Prasiddhaha Dhatu for the previous one. Okay. Here Natati, Nadati, whatever he has given. Natati, Nadati, Namati, Nashyati, Nakhyati, Nindati, Nauti, Nayati, all these Nudati, etc. These are the example for, these are some of the no Padesha Dhatu he is giving. Kritya Chaha is something different, which we have not seen. Let me explain that. Kritya Chaha. So that is, see, in the Upasarga, the Nimittas are there. The Upasarga Nimittas are there. Then the Upasargat Nimittat, Upasargastat Nimittat Parasya Achaha. Achaha Uttarasya Kritsasya Nasya. That is, Upasarga has got the Nimitta, then followed by Ach. And the Ach has got Kritsasya Nasya, followed by Ach and followed by Krit Pratyaya. The Krit Pratyaya has got the Nakara. There are Krit Pratyayas having Nakara. Any one Krit Pratyaya can having Nakara, can you say?
Yet, not that one.
Huh?
We saw yet and net. Yet.
No. In the Krit Pratyaya, this Nakara must be there. Now that Dante Nakara must be there. Krit Stasya Nasya means Kridanta Pratyaya. Krit means Krit Pratyaya. Krit Pratyaya Stitaha Nakarasya. Krit Pratyaya having Dante Nakara, not more than Nakara. Here when you say Nyat, Nyat is not the Nakara, it is a Ita letter. It is not the content, right? The content is only Ya. Any Pratyaya, you remember?
Lut Pratyaya Ana.
Very good. Lut Pratyaya is what the example is. Lut Pratyaya you can take. What will happen to Lut? You have seen. What will happen to Lut? lakara is it, right? Then takara is it, and u is replaced by you, ana. So nakara is there or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The nakara is what belongs to what pratyaya? Krit pratyaya, right? So
Okay.
kritstasya nakarasya. And the nakara is preceded by,
Akara.
that's what
Acha,
says
acha.
achaha.
Acha.
Achaha.
Yeah.
So upasarga stitasya parasya achaha uttarasya kristasya. The krit pratyaya having nakara preceded by ach. You can understand like that, right? In the krit pratyaya, nakara must be there. And the nakara must be preceded by ach letter.
Swara.
So best example is lut. Lut is an example. So in lut, what happens? The lakara is it, takara is, u is there. U is replaced by ana. So dantya nakara is there. Ana ending with a. Okay. So dantya nakara is there, preceded by a. And apadanta nakara also. So therefore, it is good. Therefore, now you can see. So upasarga is a pari is there. Pari plus ma plus lut. So if you add example, pari plus ma na, it will become. In fact, before you do it, you can write like this. So pari has got the repa here, and between makara and akara, they are permissible letter. And krit pratyaya is there, ana pratyaya, that is lut pratyaya replaced by ana. And nakara is there, it has got akara preceding, ach preceding. Therefore, it becomes parimana nattam bhavati. So kritstasya nakarasya. Achaha parasya kritstasya nakarasya. That is krit pratyaya having nakara. And the nakara preceded by ach. Then it will become. Very good example. Yes, and here also it will come. What about shanach? That also same thing, right? Ach pratyaya, ana. Right? Shanach also will come. Anir will come. It's good example. Anir is very good example. Yes. There are many pratyas are like that in with having this in nakara. So that will happen. That is happen because of this krit echaha iti. Okay, that's what he says. But in the book, I think he has given the examples. I don't know. Maybe he's just covering that. So these are this important some of the important rules he is covering here. Okay, the exercise, whatever we have not done, filling the blanks, you please do it. I'll send you the book after the class. Just for your understanding, you can do. So these are the 5 important rules. You can note. Then, natva nishedaha, when it is negated. Padanta nakara. Padanta dante nakarasya natvam nabhavati. That is nisheda. Padantasya nasya natvam nasyat. 8437. Padanta dante nakara will not be replaced by urdhanya nakara. Okay. Then paribhavanam, paribhanam, parigamanam. Na bha bhu pu. Then kami gami pya e vepam. Okay. That is, he has given the dhatu, the form. The ba, bu, pubu is bu dhatu, pu, kami, gama. When these dhatus are kristasya. These dhatus, when taking the krit pratyaya, then the krit pratyaya having dantya nakara will not be replaced by murdanya nakara. Therefore, it is exception, apavada. Apavada to what we saw, kritsasya nakarasya preceded by ach we saw, exception to that for these dhatus. Nimitta is there in the upasarga, pari, whereas bhu dhatu, bha dhatu, gam dhatu, here you don't see when you add drit pratyaya, nothing happening because it is exempted by this rule. 8434. By that rule, it is exempted. Nattum na bhavati. You can note this. Parigamanam, paribhavanam, paribhanam. So these are dhatu. Ba dhatu. Ba is bane, bas, bas, prava, bas, shining. Not bas, ba is a dhatu. Bu dhatu. Similarly, pu dhatu. Then kami. Prakamanam. It is prakamanam, dante nakara only. The prakamanam or parikamanam iti. Then gam dhatu gami. Then one more dhatu pyayi is there is a dhatu pyayi. Pyayi is a dhatu that becomes prapyayanam iti rupam bhavati. So there nothing will not happen. He has given only this example. It's okay. So these dhatus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dhatus. The 6 dhatus. And one more, the vepa is there. Sorry, another dhatu vepa. So 7 dhatus. For 7 dhatus, nattum, that when kritasya nakarasya, nattum nabhavati. And the dante nakara, which is there in the krit pratyaya, preceded by ach, and nimitta is there in the upasarga, then will not happen for these 7 dhatus. He has given an example for 3, paribhavanam, paribhanam, parigamanam. Then the next one, pranashtaha. Pra plus nash dhatu plus ta pratyaya, pranashtaha. Why nattum has not happened? Nashehe shantasya. All these are exception. Natta nisheda sutrani. 8439. Yeshu nattum nasyat. Nashehe. Nashehe shantasya nabhavati. Nash dhatu. Nashehe means it's very specific for nash dhatu. Nash dhatu will not. That is 8439. Let me see. This 8439. Shake it. 1 minute. Let me check that. Nasheke shantasya nashtatu shakarantasya nakaradesha nabhavati. Okay. Nashdatu when it okay. When it can take murdanya nakara adesha. Nashdatu when it can take murdanya nakara adesha when followed by jal, right? Because it is shakara, brascha, sruja, mrija, we have seen that talavya shakara will become murdanya shakara. When does it become? When it followed by jal or padanta. So that shakara which belongs to nashdatu, and when that shakara has become murdanya shakara, here nashtaha murdanya shakara is there, then nashdatu, that nakara is there, will not undergo natvam. You understand what I'm saying? That is, this is very specifically for shantasya. Shantasya nashege means this nashdatu getting murdanya nakara adesha. When it will get murdanya adesha nakara? When it is followed by, for example, if it will take ta pratyaya, when it is followed by jal letter, what will happen? It becomes nash, then taha, right? So this shakara, shantasya nasheke means this nashtatu having murdanya nakara in the place of shakara. Nashtatu having murdanya shakara at its end. That nashdatu. So that nashdatu, when preceded by the nimit, the upasarga having the nimitta, then what will happen? That nashdatu, the nakara will not become nakara. Therefore, it will be continue to be pranashtaha only. There is no Murdanya Nakara Adesha. Pranashta only. Suppose if it is this Shakara, if it has not become Murdanya Shakara, then it will happen. Otherwise, no. Then it will happen. Otherwise, no. Right? So here it doesn't happen. For example, pra plus nasha. Nasha is a pra plus nasha. Nashdatu becomes nasha. By adding gain pratyaya, you can make it nasha. Here it becomes pranasha. Apavada. Here nasha is this shakara is there. That shakara has not become murdanya. That nashdatu, that nakara will become murdanya nakara. You understand? This is a counter example. Pranasha. Can you follow? Understand this? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, Ranjit.
Or is it confusing? Right? So that alone will happen, it says. Okay. Then so Shantasya Nashehe Bhavati. Shantasya Nashehe na Bhavati. Sorry. Shantasya Nashehe na Bhavati. Murdanya Shakara is there, then it will not happen. Whereas yes, the Kashikagara gives another example. Pranashyati. That what I gave you the same example. Similar example. Pranashyati. Here it happens. Why? Pra plus Nashyati. Here Shakara is there. This is not Shantasya. This is Shantasya. Palatal Shakara is there. So there it will happen. There it will happen. Pranashyati. Murdanya Adesha Bhavati Nakarasya Sthana. Okay, this is what he says. So this is very specific for the Nash Dhatu. Then next one. So all these are Natva Nisheda. Number 1, Padanta Nakara. Number 2, very specific for these Dhatus. I mean, and the Dhatus and when the Krit Pratyaya having this Nakara, then that Nakara will not undergo Natvam. Number 2, that is. And Pranashtaha is specific for the Nash Dhatu. Then Parinindanam. What is Parinindanam? Va Nim Sani Ksha Nindam. Va Nimsa Niksha Nindam. It must be. So Yesham Nasya No Vasyat Kriti Pare. This is optional. Okay. This is here. It is not a Nisheda. It is optional. Va. Va Nimsa Niksha Nindam. For this dhatu, nakarasya, nasya, danti nakarasya, nahasyat, optionally, when krit pratyaya follows, this is optional. That is not so important, but let me see if any examples can give from this. So, so here it's okay. For this dhatu, let us give an example. Is given with pra upasarga. Let us take pra upasarga. Let nim dhatu is nimsha. That we can take nimsa dhatu, nims dhatu, nimsanam. Pra plus nimsanam. So it becomes pranimsanam, or optionally it is pranimsanam. Pranimsanam. So mudra nakara, pranimsanam, or dante nakara itself will be there. This is for the nims dhatu. Nims dhatu, niksha dhatu, nind dhatu. So pranindanam, parinindanam, or parinindanam. All these forms are possible. Okay, here this dhatus are no padesha dhatu. Dhatus are no padesha dhatu in the upadesha Mudya Nakara will be there. That will mandatorily get what? Akara Adesha. Nopadesha Dhatu, we saw Nopadesha Dhatus in the previous rule. Nityam Bhavati iti we saw. You can check here before. Upasargat nimistat parasya nopadesha dhatoho nasya nahasyat samase asamase api we saw. For that here it is given optionality. For these dhatus, even though they are nopadesha dhatu, right? They are given an optionality. What is mandatory has made optional. Mandatory by this rule. What rule? Upasargat asamase api nopadeshasya. Upasargat sitasya nimittasya parasya nopadeshe nopadeshasya dhatoho nasya nahasyat. We saw that nopadesha dhatu will become mudra nakara. It is mandatory. For these three dhatus, it is made optional. Only for these three dhatus, nims, niksha, nindadhatu, all these are nopadesha dhatu. And they are made vaikalpika here. They are made given optionality. For these three dhatus, optionality is given when the krit pratyaya follows. When the krit pratyaya follows, nopadeshasya dhatoho naha vikalpena bhavati iti. Understand this? The example I gave, that pranimsanam iti. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, Sharanji.
Not all the rules are important. It is covered. I'm just covering what is there here. So main rule is, we know already main rule. When anattum happens, when it is negated. That's all. That's the main rule. These are some of the optional, other rules, not so important. When we come across and we'll see. These are some of the Natva Nisheda Sutra rules. Then, now, Natva Sambandhi Sutrani. There are about 39 sutras are there. When Natvam will happen, when it will not happen. Teshu Aprasiddhani. Among them, they're not so important. Aprasiddhani is, Ati Prasiddhani, not Prasiddhani, sorry. Ati Prasiddhani. Teshu Ati Prasiddhani. Among them, most important sutras are 10. Natva Nisheda Sutrani, 6. Avigaya. So Natva Sambandhini Sutrani is 39, excepting 6. Those 6 are Natva Nisheda Sutras. And Teshu Ati Prasiddhani, important sutras are 10. Natva Nisheda Sutrani, 4, excepting the 4 Natva Nisheda Sutras. So, therefore, Natva Nisheda Sutras, important sutras are 6. And Ati Prasiddhanis are 4, it says. We know all this. So, this is Natva. But Natvam is not yet over actually. In fact, in Samasa and all it will happen, but it is not, we cannot cover it now here in this class. For that, we need to know a little bit more. Then we can cover that. But this much is enough for Natvam here to start with. So these are the important rules. So you can remember this. Natva Nisheda, Natva Vidayaka. Rashabhyam Nonaha Samana Pade. That the explanation is given, that is important. Atkupvangam Yavaye api. Pratipadikantannam vibhaktishu cha. Kumati cha. Upasargat asamase api no padeshasya. Krityachaha. These are the important Natva Vidayaka Sutra. Ati Prasiddhani Sutrani. And Natva Nisheda Sutrani, Ati Prasiddhani are 4. One is Padantasya. Na Padantasya. Na Bhavati. Then for this 7 dhatus, Krit Sasya Nasya. Nasyat. Then Ashed Nashdhatu for Nashdhatu. Then for this 3 dhatu, Nimshdhatu, Nikshadhatu, Nidadhatu, it will become optionally Natva. So with this, Natva is over. Then we start Najanta. If you have doubts, you can ask, please. You have doubts? Any doubts?
No, Sharanji.
If we do the exercises, I think we'll.
Correct.
Clear, okay.
Yeah.
What, I will send you the book, you can do it. Which exercise in the lesson?
The lesson you have shown.
That is very simple actually. What are the
Oh.
intervening letters and all
Yeah.
this? Yeah, that is. I myself have got one doubt. I have to clarify it. I saw something which.
But you have
thinking-
done almost many of those exercises. Shanti.
Yeah, we did in the I saw it before. Okay, yeah, no doubt. Yes, I got confused something else. Fine. So Nijanta, we have to start. So that's why I will send you the book. You can go through this. If you have doubt, you can ask me. That's why it's not completely over. In fact, really. Okay. So it's there are some rules, some important, not important now, but it is there in the language in Samasa. You will see some words in Gita also. I think in the 15th chapter. Recently, I took that as an example. There you don't see nothing happening because it is samasa. The intervening letters are other than that kupangam devayapi. What is the word? That anitya. The 15th chapter comes. Anyway, there are some rules which also we need to know, but it cannot be covered now. Maybe later. Okay, but in this book, as I said, Prasiddhani Sutrani, Ati Prasiddhani Sutrani for both Vidayaka, Nisheda. That is important that we have seen. Then Nijanta. What is Nijanta? We know. This 10th Gana will take Nich Pratyaya, Swarte Nich. That is, Swarte is in its own sense, in its own meaning, it will take Nich Pratyaya. Other Gana also, Dhatu belonging to other Ganas also can take. Then even 10th Gana also. 10th Gana also, by default, it is Swarte Nich. Otherwise, it is Preranarte or Prayojakarte, causative. So, therefore, Nijantaha, it will cover both for Churadi Gana as well as for the other Gana. And Nich, Nijanta is Nich. Nich is Ardhatuka Pratyaya. By default, we call it as Ardhatuka Pratyaya. By default, we call it as Ardhatuka. But it is not, it is neither of them in some cases also. Don't worry about that. In Nich, in some case, it is neither of them, neither Sarvadhatuka nor Ardhatuka. That is different. That we will see later when we study Sutra. So Nijanta for us, but it is default is Ardhatuka Pratyaya. What Angakarya it does, that we must know. When Nich follows, Nakara, more than Nakara being Nith, it's a Ith letter, it's being in a Nith letter. Therefore, Ik Anta will take Vriddhi. Upada Rasva Ik will take Guna. Upada Rasva Akara will take Vriddhi Akara. These three karyas we need to know for this Nijanta. Right? So we will see this. We will continue this in the next class. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnavadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad Sharanji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad, Shanti.